For a long time now, we thought we were the only species with a sophisticated language, and our olden day scientists have been trying to force our languages on our animal labels, but failed. But with the rise of AI, we've come to know some of the languages of the animals, well, in a way, and not only that, but we've also learned we may not just be the only species with a complex language, and we can as well communicate to the animals in a way our ancestors never could. Let's start learning about these animals and their languages, shall we? Recently, scientists came up with the subtle idea of planting portable field recorders, which are like mini microphones that can be planted on trees, whales, birds, and bats, etc. Supposedly on bats, while they develop an algorithm to analyze 15,000 of the sounds and also video clips from the mini cameras to discern what languages they use when fighting for food, jokering for sleeping positions, or calling out to each other, and the results were wild. It was discovered that much like humans, bats are capable of complex communication in a sense. For each individual bat, there's a special tonation and pitch used by other bats to call upon them. Much like in the human world, we use names to identify one another. And they're also able to distinguish between sexes when they communicate with each other. They're also known to have dialects. They argue over food and sleeping positions. And most crazy of all for me is the fact that mother bats are also used to a special tone only specific to their young ones. Just the same way we use cute voices with our young ones like
Look at you!
You get the idea. Okay, we won't be making a video about all the animal languages like for now, as a lot of effort and research has gone into making this one. But definitely stick around, okay? Subscribe to the channel to learn more, and yeah, we are working on a video about more animal languages, like how scientists are learning about more animal languages. And you can check out my video about objects that compete with the speed of light above, and subscribe to my channel. Part 2 of this series is in the making, so definitely stick around. Now, back to the video. Honeybees' means of communication can be a little bit tricky, as they don't only communicate by sound, but by funny little movements too. They use these little communications to give commands or know where to find nectar, etc. But scientists have been able to discern bee languages to some extent through, you guessed it, AI. Using a robotic bee, they were able to discern bees make a specific sound like and also a sound in the presence of danger. Sounds crazy, right? After 7 or 8 prototypes, they had a robo bee that could actually go into a hive and then emit commands in the bee language, and the rest would follow. Whoa, we live in an age of wonder. Recently, it's been discovered that killer whales do not only have complex languages, but are able to learn other languages too, most especially from bottlenose dolphins when they are confined together. They also have special dialects for each pod, like, killer whales live in pods and live in groups. They are social animals. Each particular pod of a killer whale has its own language and culture. Has been discovered by scientists. Each killer whale pod has its own language and its own way of life, its own culture, and that differs from the way of life of other pods, other killer whale pods. It's crazy. But definitely stick around. We'll be doing more about killer whales. Like in the next video, we talk more about killer whales, their languages, the way they behave with each other, their culture. Stick around, these are just wild, bro. Stick around, whether you're a bro or a sis. Thanks for watching this video till this point, and definitely subscribe as more videos will be coming out. Thanks for watching. Bye.